Welcome guys to another course introduction video to SharePoint 2016 series under the Microsoft official curriculum, course number 20339-2. Now if you have ever watched the earlier video on the first part of this course number 20339-1, which is planning and administering your SharePoint 2016, now we're in the advanced part. This is part 2. That was why the course number is 20339, sharing the same 5-digit number but with a -2. Now for those of you who intend to go for certifications, well, you need to take that first part of the course 5 days and another this 5 days for the advanced portion. So complete 10 days will give you guys good enough insights and complete coverage of becoming a farm administrator in SharePoint 2016. Now, just like the first part, 20339-1, which is having the same content and outline with the predecessor 20331 in SharePoint 2013, this part 2 has the same content and outline with the predecessor 20332, right, for Advanced Solutions SharePoint 2013. So let me dive into that breakdown. Module 1, right, as usual, again, they're going to give you an introduction to SharePoint 2016, just in case for audiences who did not take the first part. So it's just like a revision and a recap of what we had in the first part. So Module 1 is an intro. Now Module 2, right, okay, it's specially made. That's the only one module different from the previous version 2013, because 2016 right now, Microsoft promoted, right, the operation of your on-premise SharePoint server here with SharePoint Online in Office 365. So Module 2 is an introduction to a hybrid scenarios whereby your SharePoint 2016 operate hand-in-hand with your SharePoint Online in Office 365. So you learn how to configure using the hybrid picker, right, connecting to your Office 365 account. Now Module 3, we're going to focus on the disaster recovery strategies, which they call it as business continuity management. So part and parcel of a central administration site, a farm administrator can perform scheduler backups of your farm, site collections, and specifically some granular backups, as well as restoring the backups from there. So disaster recovery is also covered. Module 4 right now, you're going to learn how to plan and implement your business connectivity service together with your secure store service. Now this is slightly different from that Module 4 that you had in course 20331. So when we talk about business connectivity service, you're going to learn how to set up this service, right, to provide you with a bridge to connect to external data sources. And the validation or authentication for an ID to connect to the business connectivity service, you need to use SSS, which is Secure Store Service. So it's all combined into this module number 4. Very nice module. Module number 5, you're going to learn about some other productivity services for SharePoint 2016 deployment. Now, these productivity services, right, incorporates the usage of OOS, Office Online Server, which is the replacement for the version 2013 OWA server. It used to be called Office Web Apps Server, but right now it's called Office Online Server. So next, Module 6, we're going to look at managing solutions for SharePoint 2016. Just like the version 2013 course, whereby you as a farm administrator, you must be able to manage all the solutions that your developer has passed on to you. So how are you going to deploy them? How do you manage these custom solutions? Module 7, connecting people. This is the social networking portion of SharePoint 2016. So this is the advanced or extension from the previous user profile topic covered in the first part of this course. Module 8, planning and configuring web content management. Now this is hand in hand with the next module 9, where we talk about enterprise content management. Now under the content management workload provided by SharePoint 2016, there are 2 branches, the web content management as well as enterprise content management. So follow through both modules 8 and 9 and you're going to see the whole picture of how SharePoint can provide you with content management. Module 10. Now this one is we're going to talk about business intelligence. Now, BI is one of the most popular topic that even SharePoint will act as a front end, and it's personally one of my favorite topic. Now, being a trainer who is also now focusing and quite an expert in business intelligence, I could give you more insights into how to set up your SharePoint 2016 site to be a reporting site that has integration to SQL Server reporting services, Power Pivot, as well as Power BI. Now, that will bring us to module number 11. This will be the second last module together with module 12 because we only have 12 modules for these 5 days. So module 11, you're going to learn how to plan and configure productivity and collaboration. This is used to be covered in the earlier modules in the previous version 2013 course 20331. And of course, last module 12 is always the upgrading portion. So how are you going to upgrade your version 2013 SharePoint into the new 2016, right? As well as migrating all the content or databases from 2013 into the new 2016. So there you go, 12 modules in this particular course. Not to be said that it's quite difficult, but ample amount of exercises for you to get your to quench your thirst for all these SharePoint 2016 hands-on. Right. So I'll hope that to be able to see you guys in class. Right? Have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.